Hello guys, welcome to our new informative video. Suppose you wake up one morning, grab your coffee, and step outside, only to find your car's windshield shattered from a fallen tree branch. Or worse, you're driving home, and bam, you get into an accident with another car. Now, here's the big question: which type of insurance coverage actually pays for these damages? Do you need comprehensive coverage, collision coverage, or both? And what's the real difference between them? Stick around because in this video, we're breaking it all down in a simple, step-by-step guide so you know exactly what you need and how to make the best decision for your car insurance in 2025. Check out the link in the description box below. What is comprehensive coverage? Comprehensive coverage is like an umbrella for all those unexpected, non-collision damages. If your car gets damaged by something other than a crash, comprehensive insurance steps in. What does comprehensive coverage include? Here are the major events comprehensive insurance typically covers: natural disasters, storms, hurricanes, floods, tornadoes, nature's way of wrecking your car; falling objects, tree branches, hail, or even debris from construction sites; theft and vandalism, if your car is stolen or someone smashes your windows; fire and explosions, whether it's a wildfire or a car catching fire due to mechanical failure; animal collisions, hitting a deer or other wildlife on the road. Basically, if something damages your car and it wasn't from a collision with another vehicle, comprehensive coverage has your back. What is collision coverage? Collision coverage, on the other hand, helps when your car is damaged in an accident, whether you hit another car or an object. What does collision coverage include? Accidents with another vehicle, if you crash into another car, whether you're at fault or not. Single car accidents, if you hit a pole, guardrail, or even roll your car over. Hit and run accidents, in some cases, collision insurance may cover hit and run damage. Pothole damage, yes, those nasty potholes that seem to come out of nowhere. In short, if you collide with anything, whether it's another car or a stationary object, collision insurance helps pay for the repairs. Key differences between comprehensive and collision coverage. Now that we know what each covers, let's see the main differences. You can see here the differences between comprehensive coverage and collision coverage. Do you need comprehensive, collision, or both? The biggest question now is, should you get comprehensive, collision, or both? Here's how to decide. When you need comprehensive coverage. You live in an area prone to storms, floods, or wildfires. Your car is parked outside often, making it vulnerable to theft or vandalism. You drive in areas with lots of wildlife where animal collisions are common. When you need collision coverage. You drive frequently in high-traffic areas where accidents are more likely. You want coverage for single-car accidents like hitting a tree or a pole. You want financial protection even if you're at fault in an accident. When you might need both. Your car is new or has a high value, repair costs can be expensive. You can't afford to pay out of pocket for sudden damages. You want peace of mind knowing your car is protected from almost everything. How much do comprehensive and collision coverage cost? The cost depends on your car's value, location, driving history, and deductible. Comprehensive coverage costs. Usually cheaper than collision coverage. The average annual cost is around $200 to $500. Collision coverage costs. More expensive because accidents are more common. The average annual cost is around $300 to $900. Deductibles and payouts. You choose a deductible, $500, $1,000, etc. If a claim is filed, your insurance pays the rest after you pay the deductible. Higher deductible equals lower monthly premiums but higher out-of-pocket costs if you file a claim. Is it worth having comprehensive and collision on an older car? If your car is older and worth less than $3,000 to $5,000, it might not be worth keeping both coverages. Here's why. If your car's value is low, paying extra for coverage may not make sense. Instead, you can save that money and self-insure for repairs. quick rule of thumb, if the combined cost of comprehensive plus collision is more than 10% of your car's value per year, consider dropping one or both. Final thoughts: which one should you get? If you want protection from nature, theft, and unexpected events, get comprehensive. If you're worried about car accidents, no matter who's at fault, get collision. If your car is valuable and you want full protection, get both. If your car is old and not worth much, consider dropping one or both. The best choice depends on your car, location, and budget. So, now you know the difference between comprehensive versus collision coverage. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide helped clear things up. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.